I just woke up and I kind of have like a fun day planned, so I thought I would just bring you along. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just wanted to show you guys, yesterday I got these vines in the mail from Urban Outfitters. Those are the vines. I think they look super cute. I think I'm gonna hang them up a little higher so they're not just like awkwardly starting like mid-wall. Okay, so I just like took a shower, you know, did that whole thing. But I'm feeling like really low energy. Well, I'm not really feeling that low energy, but I'm just not feeling like... I'm gonna go make some coffee because I know that'll just get me pumped up and ready to get on my grind, to seize the day, to have a better day than yesterday, to spread good vibes. I have my pre-made coffee right hither. And I don't have any more almond milk creamer. I used the last of it yesterday, so we're just gonna have to use Cheesecake Factory Dulce de Leche creamer. If you know me or you've watched like literally any of my high school vlogs, you know I literally fill it halfway up with creamer, so yeah, don't judge me. It tastes great. Whoa, that was cool. That was really cool. And I just mix it all together, and you know we got the best of both worlds. Look at the ice is like stuck together. That's good. I really need this coffee to start flowing so I can be like, since it's summer, I've rotated from my rose water Mario Badescu to my aloe Mario Badescu spray. I really don't even know what this does. I just like the aesthetic of it. So yeah. Whoa, why is the ice cube literally like brown? The coffee dummy. I had like a little realization moment last night, and I just thought I would tell it to you because maybe it'd give you a little realization moment. I wish I could have explained it to you yesterday because yesterday I was in a mood about it, and basically it's that don't waste your time on anyone. Don't like isolate yourself. Do not depend on one person. Side note, I cleaned my brushes yesterday. Ooh, the productive me. Yay. Okay. Because you're gonna look back 6 months later and be like, wow, that was a dumb move. Cut people off. Like, it's genuinely okay to cut people out of your life. They're just making you feel some bad vibes, and you just need to get those bad vibes out of your life so you can radiate positivity. Basically, yeah, like the only person you can really rely on is you. You're not gonna start a rumor about yourself. Like, why would you do that? Like, I don't have any rumors started about me. I'm just throwing out examples. I mean, there could be a rumor about me right now I just don't even know about, and I'm just completely oblivious to. Also, something that really got to me yesterday. I was talking to some people yesterday, and they like to talk about someone who I'm like kind of friends with. I don't know what makes it okay for you to make fun of someone every single day, but then some other person, it's like not okay. It's like, nope, I love them, but like act like you've never done anything bad in your entire life. You've never bullied a soul. Like, when the one person comes around that you don't feel like talking about, I don't really get that. But it's like okay if it's about the one person you hate. To those people, you just need to get them out of your life. Like, shoo them away. I mean, probably next year it's gonna happen. You probably know who you are, and if you have to ask me who it's about, I'm not gonna tell you, or it's probably you. So yeah. So I'm done with my makeup, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz my little planties. I water them, like actually water them at least like once a week, and then I'll spray them every day. My mom's taking my dog on a walk, and then she's gonna get ready. I think in the meantime I'm just gonna watch this movie. It's called Kissing Booth. I don't know, apparently like the guy she falls in love with is really cute, so here's the deal with that little movie. I'm not quite done with it yet, but literally most cliche thing ever. I'd live for it though. I love cliche movies. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna finish that movie. So I think this is what I'm gonna wear. I'm just wearing the shirt from Urban Outfitters and these mom jean shorts from Urban Outfitters. I don't know, I might change my shirt, or I need to put like a shirt under this because this is kind of inconvenient. Since it like clasps, it always unclasps. But yeah, this is just my little fit of the day. I'll probably wear Vans, so yeah. Movie review. First 30 minutes, I was like, okay, this is a really good movie, gonna be a fan fave. No. Last 30 minutes, cringiest thing I've ever seen. They were trying so hard not to be cliche. It was like, I don't think I have the mental capacity to handle one more minute of that movie. By the way, where we're going is IKEA, and then we're gonna go to lunch. I don't know what else we're gonna do, but I know we're going to IKEA for sure. Hey guys, so we're in the...
Hey guys!
So I'm cashing some checks right now so that I can cash them. I don't know. First purchase that we don't need. So now we're actually in IKEA, as you can tell. Kind of hiding from people. I'm looking for a throw blanket right now. So, are these throw blankets? I want like a super soft one. This one's kind of nice, but don't know how cozy it is. I didn't find a throw button. Now I'm looking at hooks to put my backpack on, or like a jacket or something. So I'm gonna try to find that. I already have shelves. I might get another one. I don't really know. I'm gonna get these leaves. I think they look really cool. So let's just go ahead and grab 2 of these. Kind of debating if I need this tree. Do I need the tree? I think I need the tree, but I'm not gonna get the tree. I kind of want this chair for my room. I think it looks cool.
Do we just take it?
I think we take a picture of that. Or do we take it?
Temporarily unavailable.
What?
Oh.
What? Oh, I'm hoping we can find like the bed section soon because I need a new bed frame. Mine is literally broken. I'm pretty sure this is the bed I want. It's a lot lower than I thought. I think originally I wanted this one, but it's really low, so I don't think that's a thing. So this is a bit hectic, but we're really out here. Bin 1. Something tells me these are too short.
These are those?
No, I feel like they're like not long enough.
Well, let's look at it and see what it says.
Oh, it doubles.
What?
It doubles.
Oh, full double. Okay, so there's 2 of those things. Okay, where are we gonna put it? Here, put it down.
Oh, this product is 2 packages.
Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out that we need some help here.
I don't think we need help. I think we've got it.
It's a big thing.
Oh. Yeah, we might need help. 24 hours in IKEA challenge. So we're done at IKEA. Now we're going to this place called 0 Degrees, which is really cool. So it's really loud in here, but just got this like lychee, pink lychee drink that my mom got. This is so good. So I got this popcorn chicken, but it kind of looks sketch. I'll try it. And I got these french fries too. Okay, so I'm back home and I don't know, I think I was a little bit confused what I was doing because I was also not talking very loud and it was kind of loud in the places I went. I went to IKEA and I just got some things for my room, and then we went to this place called 0 Degrees and I got lunch. I didn't really like the chicken or The fries were pretty good and the drink was amazing. I love the drink. I'll definitely be getting more. I'm not too sure what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I don't think I'm doing anything like entertaining. We might go get dinner somewhere, but I don't know. And in the event this is the last clip I'm gonna be doing, I just wanted to wish you a great week, a great life, a great summer, all the warmest wishes, and good luck, Charlie.